Do you know why most people are broke? Despite making lots of money. Let's be honest, we all know someone who earns a good money yet is always broke. Perhaps you've even asked yourself, where does all my money go? The truth is that it's not always about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you make. Here's the truth. How much you earn does not always guarantee your financial security. In fact, many high earners are stuck in the same paycheck-to-paycheck cycle as low earners do. Why? Here are 6 major reasons for this. The last in the list will change everything for you. 1. Lifestyle inflation. This is the silent money killer. For many earners, the more they earn, the more they spend. Thus, for these kind of folks, a salary increase often comes with celebrations like upgrading cars, moving to a bigger apartment, or shopping for things they never really needed before. Hence, expenses grow just as fast as income, leaving savings at zero level. 2. No budget, no plan. A lot of people don't track where their money goes. They feel like they're doing okay, but feelings don't balance the books. Without a budget or financial plan, it's easy to overspend and have nothing left to save or invest. Ask debt addiction. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later. These tools make it easy to spend tomorrow's money today. The interest piles up, and before you know it, a huge chunk of your paycheck is going toward paying debt instead of building wealth. 4. Living for appearances. Guys, let's be real here. Social media has made it tempting to live for likes rather than financial stability. Many people stretch themselves thin just to look successful, forgetting that looking rich and being rich are 2 completely different things. Absence of emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. A medical bill, car breakdown, or sudden job loss can throw finances into chaos. Without an emergency fund, most people turn to loans or credit cards, creating a debt spiral that eats up their income. 6. No investments, just spending. Money that only sits in a spending account will eventually disappear in spite how large. High earners who never invest are missing out on the power of growing their money over time. Savings without growth is like planting seeds but never watering them. Here is the bottom line. Being broke isn't always about earning too little. It's often about spending without strategy. The key to breaking the cycle is simple. Live below your means. Create a budget, save consistently, and invest wisely. At the end of the day, your financial habits matter more than how much you make. Remember, it's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. If you found any value from this video, like it, share it, drop your thoughts. Tell us one new thing you have learned from this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more upload like this. Thanks, and see you in my next video.